Hello students, start with the next point, diode applications. What is meant by diode application? We have studied PN junction. Diode conducts only in a one direction when it is in forward bias. Main application of such as a diode into convert bidirectional AC supply into unidirectional DC supply. Means only one direction form करतो application of diode. This is a bidirectional AC converted into unidirectional DC supply. Then this process is known as a rectification. Means तुम्ही काय अप्लाय करणार आहात आणि त्याच्यासाठी तो पुढून रिफ्लेक्ट काय करणार आहे तर त्याला काय म्हणणार आहोत आपण रेक्टिफिकेशन. Then let us see uses of diodes in rectifiers. Next point, half wave rectifier. AC voltage consists of two half cycles as shown in figures. Means half wave rectifier कसा फॉर्म होणार आहे तो टू हाफ सायकल्स मध्ये रेक्टिफायर अप्लाय होणार आहे. देन अप्पर हाफ सायकल इज नोन एज अ पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल and lower cycle is known as a negative half cycle. Means look at this figure. Positive half cycle it is a upper level and then negative half cycle is lower cycle. Then first point, AC voltage across secondary terminals AB changes its polarity after each half cycle. Then during negative half cycle terminal A is negative, so diode is reverse bias and conducts no current. So current flows through the diode during positive half cycle. It is a only upper is a positive and lower is a negative. Next point is a what is a diode? Diode means a diode is as a one-way switch for a current. It allows current to flow easily in one direction but severely restricted current from flowing in the opposite direction. When a diode allows current flow, it is a forward bias. Means diode काय आहे तर तुमचा एक semiconductor आहे and then diode it is acts as a one-way switch for a current. Next point, different types of diode. In addition to rectifier diode, there are other kinds of semiconductor diodes which are manufacturing for a special application. Means more than types आहे diode चे. This is a for example Zener diode, light emitted diode, photodiode, tunnel diode and then varactor diode. This is a types of a diode. आपण नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन मध्ये वन बाय वन डायोड बघूया. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, Zener diode. Zener diode is a designed to get stable voltage and it is operated in reverse bias. Then by adjusting the doping level, Zener diode of a different voltage from 2 to 200 voltage and with a different weightage are manufacturing. Means Zener diode चे voltage starting कुठून होते तर 2 to 200 volt. Then the Zener gives useful working in reverse bias only in a forward bias. It conducts just like a rectifier diode. Means Zener gives useful working reverse bias only in a forward bias conducts just like a rectifier diode. It is therefore very important to know about its reverse characteristic. Then application of a Zener diodes are used in DC power supply as a voltage regulator in a special circuit to stabilize the voltage. Next point, next diode, light emitting diode. Look at this figure. This is a color of a green color and then parts of a epoxy lens, LED chips, then reflective cavity, cathode, anode, anode wire, flat spot. This is a types of a light emitting diode. Next, LED stands for a light emitting diode. This is explanation. This diode plays an important role in indicators and displays. LED is constructed with a gallium and phosphorus instead of a silicon and germanium. When light emitting diode is in forward bias, it emits light instead of a heat generated by normal diode. When PN junction is a forward bias case, LED, and then combined with the electrons of N region and some of the electrons from the N combine with holes of a P region. Means LED काय प्रोवाइड करणार आहे तर हीट जनरेटेड करणार आहे. देन दिस इज अ phosphorus, silicon and germanium also instead of light emitting diode. Next point, third is a photodiode. Look at this figure, photodiode. The function of this diode is opposite to the LED. When light is incident on it, it conducts. It is a manufacturing with a cadmium, silicon and addition to the germanium and silicon. This is a photodiode. Then the current through photodiode depends on the light intensity. Photodiode is normally operated in a reverse bias. When it is exposed to light, due to of energy of light, electron hole pairs are generated. Therefore, current flows through it. Next, difference between LED and photodiode. Your exam will asking the 5 marks question. Difference between LED and photodiode. Then first point, it emits light in where it conducts. Then photodiode is a conducts when light is a incident on it. Then second point, it is operated in forward bias. Then photodiode is a reverse bias. Then symbol is a triangle. It is a upper arrow and photodiode is a lower arrow. Then 4 point, light intensity depends on a current through it. Then photodiode is a current through it depends on a light intensity. Then 5th point, used as indication or displays. Then photodiode is used as a light sensor or transistor. Then 6th point, material used is arsenic, phosphorus. Then photodiode is a cadmium and sulfide. This is a photodiode used. This is a working for a LED and photodiode. Thank you students. Keep watch my video.